Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a HP Photosmart 6520. This is nice and simple and can be done without involving the touchscreen you can see here to get us started. So we need to go below the scanner where you pop paper in, and you can feel there's no dedicated handles, but there is a recess that runs all the way around. So we get fingers there, just lift, and the printer will realise the lid has been lifted and slide the ink cartridges across to a point where we can change it. You can see it's in the right position because it's got the magenta, cyan, yellow and black indicated there. Now to get the cartridges out, there is a little bit you can apply pressure to here, kind of releases the cartridge, just lift them out. Now when you've got your replacement cartridge, you'll need to remove any protective packaging that it may have been given, especially with compatibles. You might find there's like a little clamp on the bottom and a pull tab on the top, which you can see the remains of on the cartridge I took out of it. If you have such packaging, make sure you take the pull tab off the top first, because that breaks the vacuum within the cartridge and lets the ink distribute into the sponge. And then when you take the clamp off the bottom, if you have one, the ink won't drip out. So, take your new cartridge. I'm just popping the same one back in. Put it in back first, and then when you apply pressure, it's clicked into place, and you should hopefully see the cartridge sitting flush with the other four there, letting you know you've installed it correctly. Now just close the lid of the printer, pull them down, and assuming that your printer is perfectly happy with the cartridges, you'll have this display here, no warnings or anything. And unless it actively can't read the cartridge, although you may get warnings that you've installed compatible cartridges, if that's what you're doing, it's nothing that you can't just click by. So hopefully you found this useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let me know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.